Take a moment to breathe deeply and let the calm of nature surround your mind. Breathe in, feeling the freshness of the natural world, and as you exhale, release any tension. Imagine yourself surrounded by the beauty and tranquility of untouched landscapes where peace fills the air. With each inhale, welcome a sense of calm. With each exhale, release any stress. Allow yourself to be carried by the gentle rhythm of nature, feeling grounded, connected, and at ease in this peaceful space. Stay here, connected to this moment of inner calm and nature's quiet beauty.